So we're making mud today. This is normal Washington weather. So this is the fuel filters on a Cat D6. These little plastic things normally spin off. That one somebody broke. Held on by a little spring. It's just plastic. That's technically phenolic, I think. But anyhow, that's your Napa part number. That's the originals. I don't know whose idea that was, but apparently it worked. Anyhow, so to pull this off, of course I'm wearing Chucks today like a freaking real smart guy. I'm gonna pull the hood off, because this comes up out through there. I mean, you can probably do it without pulling the hood off, but it's easy, so I pulled the hood off. Anyhow, goes right on top of your fuel pump, like that. I know this one's got issues, but let's get that back together while we still can. Something tells me I'm gonna have to prime everything again. And this little jobber over here goes on top. Said, I don't know who designed this. A lot of the parts in this thing, I question their intelligence. Anyhow, I know it's not clean. The surfaces that need to be clean are clean. That's frankly all that matters to me. Anyhow, it's my project for the day. It's already warmed up. I don't know if I'll get it. The pony motor's acting up too. That's why I took the hood off. While I'm in here, I figure it's probably a good idea to change filter. I mean, you know, do it right and do it once, right? And it is on the plan to give this thing a bath, but might as well get all the dirty stuff out of the way. Anyhow, pretty sure that's how you bleed it right there. We'll find out in a minute here. Yeah, it's all up in there. Oh, have a day.